Hi everybody, Tom Lloyd with CCTV out here at the water reclamation facility in Eastport for the Utilities Department, and joining me right now is Dean Campbell from Utilities, and he's going to explain the very new lift station that's out here. How you doing, Dean?
Good.
Dean, talk to me about this lift station, and I mean, obviously it's brand new. It's pretty big.
It's very big, and it's about 40 feet deep.
Oh wow.
So we got a 48-inch gravity interceptor coming in here. We've got a distribution box for the 48 that goes to two different wet wells. Each wet well has 315 horsepower pumps. So as the flows come in to the station, we'll pump from the station into the headworks to start to do the treatment at the plant.
What will this lift station ultimately accomplish for the residents of Charlotte County?
This is going to take our operating efficiency and cut it in half. All our pumps, all our electrical bills from the pumps is all going to be reduced. Our operating pressures are going to go from 60 PSI to what they usually were down to less than 20. So as far as efficiency long term, this is a great tool because this takes all the flows from central Charlotte County, all of Port Charlotte, Charlotte Harbor, all the way to Murdoch. All the flows come here and it'll come through this interceptor.
How long did it take to construct this facility?
This was an 18-month project.
Ultimately, I guess when it comes down to it, it benefits the residents not only with water pressure and the movement of water, but maybe also on their pocketbook a little bit?
It'll because of the efficiency and the savings, it should reduce any increases in their bills in the future.
Anything else you want to add about this that we didn't cover?
This thing can be remotely operated from the operations building. We've got variable frequency drives. Like I said, the operators will be able to run one pump in one chamber and maybe two pumps in another, whatever their needs are. The system itself will hold in excess of 1 million gallons if needed.
Oh wow.
You know, so if we had a catastrophic failure somewhere, whether it be a hurricane or something like that, even though we have backup electrical supply, we have the capability to store that much liquid without it having to hit the ground.
Now, how much longer till the facility comes online?
I'm looking for this to be operational mid-June.
Okay, so relatively soon.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We're actually doing the final tie-ins. We got a bypass set up. We're working on that area right now.
And talk to me a little bit about that area. You said
there was an existing 36-inch force main that came into the facility that came from all the different lift stations. So now all these lift stations will pump into this gravity sewer system. It'll come in here. It'll pump from here over to the headworks. And we're taking the old force main out of service, which has been in the ground for 25 plus years. We don't know what the life expectancy of that could be moving forward. So instead of replacing a 25-year-old line, we went with the most efficient way we could and went with this gravity interceptor.
Now, before we even started this, you kind of let me look down the little maintenance well here, and I could see some pretty big pipes coming through there.
The 48-inch is a very big pipe. It's 48-inch ID. That's inside diameter.
Okay.
So, and the box that you looked into, that's manhole 29, and that is the distribution box. So it takes the flows to either lift station 1 or lift station 2.
Well, thanks, Dean. Thanks for showing us all about the brand new lift station out here at Eastport. And if you'd like to know more, you can go to the county's website. For CCTV News You Can Use, I'm Tom Lloyd.